Selena Gomez and Zoe Saldana turned heads at the Los Angeles premiere of their highly anticipated film Emilia Perez, exuding timeless Hollywood glamour in stunning evening gowns. The duo brought elegance and sophistication to the red carpet, each showcasing their unique style while celebrating the film's success. At the heart of the LA premiere, Selena Gomez and Zoe Saldana proved once again why they are two of Hollywood's most captivating stars. Both actresses, known for their distinct yet equally dazzling fashion senses, opted for strapless gowns, making a striking entrance that set the tone for the glamorous evening. Selena, the 32-year-old beauty mogul and actress, looked nothing short of extraordinary in a form-fitting black gown. The dress featured an off-the-shoulder neckline, elegantly paired with black opera gloves, evoking a classic old Hollywood vibe that fans have come to adore from the rare beauty founder. Her sleek, low-set updo and side-parted hair completed the look, while her flawless makeup highlighted her signature sultry style, with smoky eyes and shimmering hoop earrings adding a touch of sparkle. Zoe Saldana, known for her roles in iconic films such as Avatar, added a vibrant pop of color to the evening in a dramatic gown that contrasted perfectly with Gomez's noir elegance. The 46-year-old actress chose a magenta strapless gown with a voluminous top half that added an air of playfulness to her look. Her slick, center-parted hairstyle gave a modern twist to her elegant ensemble, while her pink-tinged makeup harmonized beautifully with the bold color of her dress. Saldana's gown was not just a visual delight but also practical, as it featured pockets, an unexpected yet delightful detail that the actress flaunted on the red carpet. Alongside her, her husband Marco Perego, looking equally stylish in a dark trench coat and tousled ponytail, shared sweet moments of affection, reminding everyone that their partnership is as strong off the carpet as on it. The event, held at Hollywood's iconic Egyptian Theater, wasn't short on star power, with other notable attendees like Kelly Rowland also gracing the red carpet. Rowland, who has made a name for herself as both a singer and actress, arrived in a striking brown and black Amiri suit, paired with a burgundy shirt and accessorized with a matching red handbag featuring intricate bandana patterns. Her stacked silver rings, some with ruby accents, added a layer of edginess to her sophisticated ensemble, making her another standout among the glamorous crowd. Carla Sofia Gaskin, who plays the titular role in Emilia Perez, also made a statement in a ruched, off-the-shoulder dress, completing the star-studded lineup for the night. The movie Emilia Perez itself has been making waves on the international film circuit, having won the jury prize at the 77th Cannes Film Festival earlier this year. The film, set in Mexico, tells the story of a feared cartel boss who seeks to leave his criminal life behind by becoming the woman he's always dreamed of being. Selena Gomez and Zoe Saldana, as Jessie Del Monte and Rita, respectively, bring depth to this complex, female-led narrative. The ensemble cast's chemistry and powerful performances earned them the Best Actress award at Cannes, further fueling excitement for the film's official release. With their dazzling red carpet presence and the high praise Emilia Perez has already garnered, Selena Gomez and Zoe Saldana have once again proven their prowess both in fashion and film. As they continue their promotional run, the anticipation for this compelling, genre-bending movie only grows stronger. Fans are eager to see how these two dynamic actresses bring their characters to life in a story that promises to be as bold and unforgettable as the stars themselves.